Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to rinse out this Fleur de Lis starting with nothing but cold water. We're going to get all that dye out of there, or a good amount of it. You see all that color running off of there? That's exactly what you want. You want all that color to come on out of there. I'm going to start pulling bands out of here. Put a little bit of soap on there to help it ease out the dye and stop the process. Just going to work all of our bands off. Squeeze it out a little bit, get some more of that dye out of there. If you like this tutorial, please take a chance to subscribe and like the video. I'm going to be hoping to put out more, hoping to put them all out in a single video once I figure out how to edit them. I'm really just running from my cell phone right now, trying to figure out the ins and outs of this. So if you guys have any software that I can get on my phone that you think would be good for putting videos together, please let me know. Anything I can do to make these videos better, maybe have them all run together. Instead of being in 3 parts, I know that's probably a little frustrating and you're only going to see part of it. That's okay. A little extra something is I tied several of these the other night, and I didn't know whether it was going to be easier to do the video if I was going to need to take several takes when I was doing dye. So it only took me 2 takes. I figured it out. Alright. I wrap my sinew pretty tight, and it's pretty nice to come right off, and you see that line right there? You know you did right. It's resistance. Keeps all of everything tight together. Look at that. I'm going to get all the dye out of there. No more dye. Nice and clean lines. Sharp corners. That's what I like. I like that sharp corners. It's one of my things. Just gotta have sharp corners. You can see where we use that blue to blend. It's really not that obvious or apparent right there. So that's good. Let's go ahead and unsleeve this bad boy. Alright. As you see, there's not a lot of dye running off of this. That's okay. We're going to turn it up to a little bit warmer water. Get all that out of there. We will have this ready for reveal. Just a second. Alright. Let's get all that juice out of there. I like to squeeze it against the sink. Get all that out of there before I put it in the wash. Alright. Whoa. Alright, well this is the Fleur de Lis. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for letting me show you a thing or two. This is a great Mardi Gras shirt. Great color. Green and purple. You can really see the 3 different colors in there and see how it shines. I'll have this pressed and ready for sale later on by this afternoon. I'll put it in my Facebook group at Kai Dyes. Throw that in the washer, and it's good to go. Y'all have a good day, and thank you so much for joining me.